Do you know that according to ZipRecruiter, a writer job pays about $1,189 per week? And that is like, say what? That's $30 per hour. So it means if you work part-time, which is 4 hours a day, you earn like $120 a day. And if you work full-time, which is 8 hours, you earn $240 a day. And that is a lot of money. Well, having said that, here is a question I would like to ask. Is your goal to make money through writing? Are you looking for concrete ways to earn a stable income? Do you want to work from home or anywhere of your choice? Well, in this coming month, you'll be able to say thank you to your pen. If you want to make as much as $100 a day writing, you're going to discover that there are many choices available to you in this video. And you know what's interesting here? The last tip of this video will show you how to do this without the need to type your words. Okay, so let's get started. Hi guys, Udochi here, and before we start, I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. And if it is your first time here, kindly click on the subscription button, please. And as well, turn the notification icon on for tips like this one you're watching right now. Okay, let's get right into it. So the writing profession is such a dream since you can work from anywhere in the world and anytime, which of course allows you to manage your time and your family life. And to be clear, I'm not going to sell you a dream by promising you will be a millionaire author in 30 days. You see, success stories like J.K. Rowling's are rare. However, if you have writing skill and good spelling, you can earn a good and reasonable amount of money doing what you love. Without further ado, here are my top 12 methods to making money writing. Have you ever wondered what a ghostwriter earns? According to ZipRecruiter, they earn about $55,753 a year, and that is about $27 per hour. And that's a lot of money. So if you're wondering how to get started with this, I've got you covered. Ghostwriting entails putting your pen to work for someone else. It could be to write novels, autobiography without adding your name on the cover. The writing and of course the book success will never be attributed to you. A ghostwriter can have exceptional literary abilities but never make it as an author, all thanks to publishing houses that prefer well-known names because they make more sales. Ghostwriters, for example, have worked in the shadows to write novels or biography of celebrities such as Paul Loop, Michael Drucker, Loana, and Zinedine. When you're a professional author, it can be frustrating to remain anonymous. However, if what matters to you is earning an income from writing, this may not have a significant impact on your self-esteem. And sites that provide platform amongst many other for those that want to become a ghostwriter are Textbroker, Constant Content, Writing Creek, Scripted, Writers.work, and so on. All you have to do is to go to any of these sites I have mentioned and sign up, and you'll be on your way to becoming a ghostwriter. Being a translator does not necessarily require diploma. If you attended a specialized school or earned a master's degree, it's okay, but it's not a must for anyone that wants to become a freelance translator. As a freelancer, your translation skills are all that is needed. A translator can earn between $15 to $25 per hour. Now, there is something to take note of. To attract regular customers, the quality of your translation must be perfect. This will help you establish a good reputation in this field. If you translate, say, from Spanish to English or German to Chinese, whatever language it is, be sure to highlight, those details when you present your service on a freelance platform or on your website. And in order to be precise and rigorous, you must be perfectly bilingual and have unfailing mastery of the two languages. Okay, so sites amongst others where you can get a translator gig are: first, your own website if you have any, 1 Hour Translation, Prose, Semantics, and Translate. So if you spend a lot of time on social media, it wouldn't be a bad idea if you convert that time into money. Writing social media content can be very profitable an idea for anyone with a knack of building online following and creating viral social posts. Social media content especially earns $46,476 per year, and that's 22 hours per hour, and that's according to ZipRecruiter, of course. And if you want to focus on generating income from your own social feed, it's worth trying what is called affiliate marketing. As a quick overview, affiliate marketing involves adding a particular type of link to your social media posts. The link can be about a product or services, and when people use that link to buy the thing you recommend, you earn a small commission. If affiliate marketing isn't your thing, you could also get paid to create social media content for businesses, perhaps writing their tweets, creating engaging Instagram caption, or tweaking their social media bios. And to do this, it's worth reaching out to small businesses directly using your own social media successes as a sample of why they should hire you as a social media assistant. Sites you can use to get clients amongst others are Fiverr and LinkedIn. So if you're wondering how profitable this can be, according to selfpublishing.com, a self-published author can make $10,000 plus per month publishing their own books on Amazon. As someone who wants to self-publish, you can offer your self-published manuscript on Amazon quickly and for free. So is your book fiction or non-fiction? Well, the sales strategies differ greatly depending on the option. In any case, you must be able to multitask because in addition to writing, you must format the book and design the cover. Even so, you can do it fairly easily. You see, your word processor on your PC will suffice for the layout, or you can create the cover using an online tool such as well-known Canva. If that is going to take your time, you can just outsource someone to do it for you. Once your book is finally completed, all you have to do is sign up for the Kindle Direct Publishing, known as KDP program, and then follow the steps to sell it there. Your book can be offered in digital format for people to download, or in paper, which is going to be printed and shipped by Amazon. Okay, when registering your book, you're required to fill in your information manually. Your description must be compelling enough to entice readers to read your book, and it should also be optimized for Google search engine using appropriate keywords. Now, by diligently following the instruction on the platform, your book will be on sale in say 24 to 48 hours, and with this self-publishing model, you receive up to 70% excluding tax of the selling price of your book. Now, the hardest part is yet to come, which is promoting your product. Well, what does a web writer do? I'll tell you, they do many things. A web writer creates written content on demand for clients. They write product sheets for e-commerce sites. They write an ebook for a client, press release, emails, scripts for videos, white papers, interview transcripts, PDF guides, newsletters, and so on and so on. And like many professionals, web writing can be practiced without a diploma, but it requires several skills. In fact, according to ZipRecruiter, you can earn about $76,710 per year, which is around $28 to $36 per hour. Aside from the fact that you must enjoy writing, knowing how to conduct keyword research is essential for ranking your content. Also, curiosity, autonomy, speed, and resourcefulness are important qualities to have. This is what allows you to write as many words as possible in the shortest amount of time. Job sites like Indeed, if filtered well, following what I'm showing you on the screen right now, have tons of job opportunities to apply for. Also, you can offer your services on Fiverr and reach out to clients on LinkedIn. Unlike the Kindle author I talked about, this one is slightly different. Your writing skills will come in handy if you want to write an ebook on a topic you're interested in or know a lot about. So you can decide to sell only on your network. It could be your blog, or on platforms such as Lulu, TradeBeat, and Blob. Now, according to ZipRecruiter, if you work as an ebook writer, you can earn $72,678 per year, which is about $35 per hour. The goal here is to inform, entertain, inspire, solve a problem, and more. So for example, if you're knowledgeable about weight loss topic and you are able to reduce, your own weight, well, thanks to your experience, you can put your methods to writing and help people lose weight. You can decide to create a blog, write many quality articles that deal with the weight loss niche, then offer your ebook for sale, explaining your methods so others can achieve the same results you have done. And more sites to sell your books among other sites are ebay.com, smashwords.com, and Barnes & Nobles. If you're a traveler, then you will like this one. You can get paid to travel and write about everything you saw in the city you went to. For me, this sounds like fun. I don't know about you. In fact, it is beyond fun. Imagine getting paid to see the world. You see, as a travel guide or writer or editor, you can make up to $67,226 per year, according to ZipRecruiter. Your tasks include sharing the best addresses for restaurants, hotels, activities, and unmissable tourist visits. So you basically get to give advice to make other people's visits to a city memorable. It may seem easy, but it requires many skills. You can go to sites like travel magazines and Los Angeles Time Travel and submit a pitch to the managing editor. Los Angeles Time Travel pays about $200 to $750 for stories of your trip to a particular city. Also, you have the option of submitting your application for a travel guide writer or editing role at job sites like ZipRecruiter and Indeed. You see, there are many people who try their luck and apply to become travel guide writer. You have to prove yourself to be selected. But if you already have a travel blog with a pretty pen and a good dose of perseverance, anything is possible. But keep in mind that it is above all a job and not a perpetual vacation. A proofreader can make $59,537 per year, according to ZipRecruiter. You do not do all of the writing as a proofreader. You are only responsible for ensuring that the content is free of typographical, grammatical, spelling, punctuation, syntax, formatting, and other errors. You may wonder if a degree is required to be a proofreader. No, a degree is not required to work as a freelance proofreader. It's a client who hire independent proofreaders, value experience and results more. So you might not know where to begin if you want to become a proofreader. You see, a site called proofreadingservices.com is an excellent resource for proofreader. Working for this company provides you with a flexible schedule, competitive pay, and opportunity to network with other proofreaders. The sharp and impenetrable eye of a corrector can be used in publishing, the press, marketing, and so on. And sites such as Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr are good places to start. Also, through Indeed and other job sites, you can also apply for remote proofreading jobs. It is common to mistake a copywriter for a marketer, and I will tell you why. If they both write content, it is not for the same intent. You see, the copywriter writes text, email, and video script with the aim of promoting a product, its services, and encouraging the reader to take action. Their aim is to pique interest immediately. As a copywriter, it's important to understand the power of words. You have to be good with SEO, must be persuasive, and capable of capturing the reader's attention. The skill of a copywriter are highly sought after. When you acquire a certain reputation, you can claim very attractive rates. Word of mouth works very well. If a customer is satisfied, he will call on you again or recommend you to colleagues. For a sales page, a copywriter can earn up to $58,431 per year. And of course, if you do the math, it's about $28 per hour. That is according to ZipRecruiter anyway. Now, a lot of job opportunities are there on Indeed and ZipRecruiter. In fact, LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr are also platforms that you can check amongst, other platforms that are there on the internet. You see, there are many people making professional YouTube videos and podcasts, and it may be necessary to use video or audio content for SEO purposes by, transcribing it in a text format. This allows Google robots to access the content, understand what the video or podcast is about, and thus rank them better. Doing this takes time, and in most cases, the author of the video or podcast may not have time for that and would seek the help of anyone to do that for a fee. This is a service that you can offer to do on platforms such as SpeakWrite, Transcript Divas, SpeechPad, Avalanche Transcription, amongst other websites on the internet. All you have to do is sign up to get started and you'll be on your way to making an average of $16 per hour according to ZipRecruiter. See, technical writing is more of a long-term career path rather than an immediate way to earn money in your spare time. Wondering what a technical writer does? The exact nature of your job will vary depending on the specialties of the company and industry in which you work. You will generally need to explain complex technical information in clear and concise text. Technical writers, according to ZipRecruiter, makes about $71,971 per year, which is, if you do the maths, $35 per hour. A common task for technical writer is writing instruction manuals. To do this, you must thoroughly research the processes you're writing about and then explain them in a way that is easy for the target audience to follow. You will likely need a fair amount of work experience as a writer to get started in this career. So you can try some of the other suggestions on our list to build your writing portfolio. If you're good at research, have good communication skills, and are comfortable working with difficult technical information, this could be a great career for you. To get started, follow this search filter on Indeed I'm showing you right now on the screen to apply for a technical writing job. Go to Indeed.com, type in technical writers on the search box, and you will see tons of jobs. You can filter the jobs to remote jobs and apply for anyone you like. You can also apply on other job sites or work as a freelancer on platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. I have a video on how to monetize a blog that you need to see if you're interested in blogging. You see, keeping a blog is within the reach of almost everyone as long as you are able to write in correct English and of course with very few spelling mistakes that Grammarly can correct. But you have to be realistic. If you want to make money with your blog, it takes a lot of work. Also, knowledge in SEO is a must. You must be able to bring your expertise and personal experience to whatever niche you wish to write in. It is more beneficial to select a specific niche rather than a broad one. For example, instead of discussing real estate in general, you could create content about wooden houses. The more specific a niche is, the easier it is for the blogger to become a subject matter expert. To monetize your blog, you can apply for Google AdSense or attach affiliate link of products you talk about. Again, I have a video dedicated to ways you can make money blogging. Try and watch it and see how to choose the best way to monetize your blog. As a blogger, you can earn over $3,000 per month. Now guys, here is the bonus tip I promised at the beginning of this video. To write content without typing, here is what you need to do. Go to docs.google.com. Click on blank to create a document. Click on Tools, select Voice Typing, click on the mic icon to speak, and that's it. So earning money by writing is not always easy, but yes, it is very possible. I've given you 12 solutions to achieving this. Now it's up to you to decide how you're going to go about it, what activities you're going to focus on. Regardless of which one you pick, one thing you should note is that consistency is key. We've come to the end of this video. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.